let's talk about the rest of the left side. These labels are areas that you can sort your email. For example, you can look at your inbox. You can look at what you've snoozed, which we'll talk about. You can look at what you've sent. You can look at drafts. You can look at all your mail, trash, and then you can have these labels. I've created lots and lots and lots of labels, but basically, if you scroll all the way down to manage labels, you can open up a part of your settings. So on the bottom here, I've created lots and lots and lots and lots of what labels, and you can essentially, this looks a little confusing, but essentially what you want is to know whether or not you are hiding it or showing it. Now, I've hidden almost every label just to kind of make it a little less oppressive when you're looking at this, but essentially I have these labels. What they do is I can grab an email and tuck them into a label. So for example, every check deposit email I get, I put my deposits label. Everything that has to do with FETV, I put it there. If there's something for tech coaching, I put it here. That way I can not delete email, but I can organize my email using my labels. If I need to find something I sent, I can click that. Now what's kind of cool is if you go to like snoozed, it changes your search bar. And that way when you press, if you were to like, okay, is there anything from Tina Hark in snoozed, it would then just search that folder. So that's kind of a useful tool. If you happen to be clicked on a label, it then changes your overall search bar. Kind of a cool feature. So when you're also looking at labels, like so for example, if I look at this label, you can see there's a 3-dot menu. You can change the label's color. So if you would like the tick mark to be pink or maybe blue, you can show it in the label list or hide it from there. You can show it in the message list or hide it from there. You can edit the label. You can remove the label or add a sub-label, like a nested label. A nested label basically looks like this. So I have a label for tech coaching individual, and then inside of that folder, I have a checking in folder. So that's how to make a sub-label. When you go to edit, essentially you can edit the name of the label. You could nest it if you want. Nesting it again means that it would sit underneath in a sub-label category. So that is labels. If you have any questions on labels, please let me know.